Okay, today I'm making my marinated vegetable salad. Now this recipe came about with, we didn't have any lettuce, but we still wanted a salad. And so I wrote this recipe and then I fine-tuned it. And I really like the dressing. It's all low carb. And the ingredients in the dressing are below in the comments section. So I'm going to take a bowl and some good olive oil. It's about a quarter cup. Got some red wine vinegar. Some white vinegar. I've got some allulose. You can use swerve or erythritol. Any non-sugar substitute would be fine. And I'm just going to mix that up. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh cracked pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. And that should be about enough right there. Half a dozen grinds. Mix that in. Kind of reminds me of my Greek salad. So anyways, with our marinated salad, I've got all low-carb vegetables and in bite-sized pieces. So I've got some sweet peppers, nice low carb. I've got some zucchini from the garden, and I left a little bit of the skin on. Some button mushrooms quartered. Got some broccoli. Red onion is about the carbiest thing in here, and so I don't put much in. But I just did like one slice, about a 1/4 inch, and then I cut it into quarters. I've got some cauliflower, some tomatoes, some cucumber, nice English cucumber, and some celery. So all of that goes in. And now I'm just going to toss that around, just a coat. Looks really good. This is so company worthy too. The salt will help bring a little bit of the liquid out. And then I've got some fresh basil from the garden and a little bit of parsley. You can use whatever herbs you like, but it really needs some herbs in there. I've got 6 stuffed garlic olives. You can see the little piece of garlic in there. I'll throw those in. And I've got some crumbled feta. And again, we'll mix this up. That's a nice, fresh, marinated vegetable salad. Never had one like this before, but it works. It really works. There you go. That's going to go into the fridge to chill for about an hour, and about every 15 minutes I'll just toss it around a coat as it releases liquids. And yeah, that looks really good. There you go. There's my marinated vegetable salad. Thanks for watching.